In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Instagram profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then right here tap at your profile picture. Then hit add 3 lines and select QR code. That will show you your QR code, and right from here you can share your profile. You can tap at that share profile button and then select the way you want to share your profile link with someone. Let me find out Telegram here. I can just hit add more, I guess, to find the Telegram app, and then I can just send my Instagram profile link to saved messages in that way. Or right from here you can copy the link to your Instagram profile directly to your clipboard. To do that, just hit add copy link. That copy is linked to the clipboard. Now you can hop out Instagram and let's open up Telegram app and then get into saved messages. As you can see, there is a link that I have just forwarded, and then let me paste the link that I have just copied. As you can see, there are the same links. Now anyone can tap at that link to open up your Instagram profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.